Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel. In this today's video, we are going to learn about proximity and related concepts. So we have created one of the healthcare model here, which is a simulation model, and you could look at we have certain areas of the hospital where you could look at the things are being getting utilized. So in this video 1 of proximity, we are going to understand what was this video or simulation model made for, what is the intention of this, and what are the things we are going to analyze from the simulation model. Okay, so let us dive into the simulation model in detail. So if you could look at what is happening is we are having a reception area. From this reception area, we are going to have the operators getting to be transferred to this area, which is known as a waiting area, and where the operators are going to be waiting for their appointment with the doctor. So this is a common waiting area where we have a chairs been put up for the patients to come in, which are then going to be moving into the doctor's cabin, and then the doctor is going to examine these patients, and then they are going to send to their respective observation areas. So now let us go to the doctor area. So this is a doctor's hall where doctor is going to examine the patients, okay, and then he is going to make a data entry in his computer for that particular patient, and then he can create a prescription for that and put his ailments. So you could look at our doctor is continuously coming, and then he is servicing the patients, which is going to come to his exam bed table, and then the doctor is going to examine this operator, and then he is going to put in all his tasks into the PC. So let us reset the simulation model and run the simulation model again. So if you could look at, this is the advantage of Flexsim, where you have a very great 3D visualization graphics which you get from this tool. Okay, now this can be used for multiple areas and multiple tasks related to from healthcare. This Flexsim simulation tool can be used till manufacturing process industries. It is widely used. So now we have came from the reception area to the waiting room. From there we came to the exam table, and from the exam table now we are going to look at the observation area. So this is the observation room. If you could look at, there are two types of observation room. What is yellow color and another is green colored. So the reason is these are the two different types of observation rooms. Like depending on the patient's criticality, those are sent to the respective observation areas. Okay, and then once the doctor is going to examine these people, they are going to be sent to the ward, that is common ward, or you say observation area. The patient is going to be observed in this area, will be given certain medical treatments to them, and once the treatment is done, the time of them is completed, these people will be then diving onto this reception area, where at this reception area these patients would be then paying their bills of the hospital and then leaving this hospital out from this door. So the people, if you look at, are entering from this door, and the people will be exiting from this door after they are doing their bill payments of the hospital. So this is basically an overview of the 3D simulation model created for healthcare. So the workspace we have already learned in our video, which is already available on our Be Aware YouTube channel. If you haven't watched this workspace video, do watch it. We have it on our YouTube channel. If you haven't liked the video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. It really motivates us to bring such interesting videos just for you. And then if you are not sharing our videos, please do share it with your friends, colleagues, teachers. It really helps us to grow and reach to maximum audiences. So in the workspaces, what I've done is I've saved different workspaces. So if you could look at, I'll just reset the simulation model and run again. And this is my workspace 1, this is my workspace 2. Okay, from where in the top view you can observe how the people's movement is taking place. This is my workspace 3, where you could look at that another angle of from where you could look these doors, these people's patients coming into the reception area and moving the observation table. Then I have the workspace 4. Okay, here is the another view. Then I have workspace 5, from where you have the different view at told. This is a 6, which is a very close-up view. At the 7, you could look at again, it is the same type of thing. Let me know which type of workspace did you liked in this video in the comment section of this video. If you haven't purchased our premium subscriptions, which are available on our beawarechannel.com for exclusive training classes and training modules, do reach out at our beawarechannel.com. So basically, now let us talk about what was the motto of creating this simulation model. So if you could look at, this is a simulation model where we are going to analyze a hospital, okay, where the patients are going to come into the play. We are having a receptionist, we are having a doctor, and we are having the patients moving around the observation area, and then we have receptionist too, who is going to use the bill payments. The thing which we are going to analyze on the simulation model is we are going to study the proximity features. So if I go in workspace 1, if you go in the toolbox, here in the agent system, we are going to have proximity agent system, social force agent system, and blank agent system. So these agent systems we are going to understand using this great simulation model, and we are going to understand how can be the traffic, the proximity being played used. You know that there have been different ailments and diseases coming in, where it is very important to have a distance between two people maintained so that they are not going to get infected or they are not going to get unwell. So this is how I thought that this can be a great simulation model where we can study the features of proximity. So let us know if you have any another queries related to this, then we can create a simulation model onto this, and then we can meet in another video. That would be our video 2 for proximity, and we'll start applying the proximity. We'll understand the features, properties of the proximity agents. Let us know in the comment section also that how was the simulation model looking and how it felt for you for visualization. Was it good? Was it not good? Anything would be great for us in the comment section. If you want to know how I have created this simulation model, then let me know that also in the comment section. I'll help you go through the process flow because of which the simulation model is running. So till then, let us meet in another interesting video. So you are going to basically like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Let us meet in another interesting video on our BR channel. Till then, stay safe, stay simulating.